Sick of studying in a dingy, cramped room? Upgrade your student life with Central Quay in Sheffield. Located on Alma Street, Central Quay offers a variety of swanky ensuites and studios for you to choose from. No matter what you choose, all the rooms here are spacious and offer a lockable private bedroom with a double bed, wardrobe, study desk, and private bathroom. But it's not all work and no play at Central Quay. Need to blow off some steam? Challenge your buddies to a table tennis tournament in the games area or sweat it out on the treadmill in the fully equipped gym. And if you need to hit the books, Central Quay has a dedicated study area for you to focus and ace those exams. Located within walking distance of both the University of Sheffield and Sheffield Hallam University, Central Quay is the perfect place to call home. And with coffee shops like Grind Cafes and dinner spots like Fat Cat just a stone's throw away, you will always have something to look forward to. Don't settle for less. Upgrade your student life at Central Quay. Book now with amberstudent.com and step into your new home.